Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into gadgets and tech accessories so you don't have to. Today, we're looking at the Center 003 high-capacity replacement battery for Nintendo 3DS, 2DS, and 2DS XL consoles, offered by RRUHHK and manufactured by Shenzhen Max Power Technology Company, Limited. This is an upgraded 3800 mAh battery designed specifically for older Nintendo handhelds. And it comes bundled with a full repair toolkit to make installation easier. Let's start with compatibility. This battery supports the old 3DS from 2015, the original 2DS, and the new 2DS XL. However, it's important to note that it does not support the new 3DS or 3DS XL. So double-checking your console model before ordering is crucial. The standout feature here is its high capacity. At 3800 mAh, this battery offers a significant boost over standard Nintendo batteries, meaning longer gaming sessions without frequent recharging. It's built to last up to 2100 charging cycles, which essentially gives your device a new lease on life. The battery itself is brand new, with 0 cycles, and the manufacturer emphasizes durability and consistent performance. Safety is another highlight. The Center 003 battery features a built-in smart IC chip that provides multiple layers of protection, including safeguards against overcharging, overheating, overcurrent, and short circuits. It also meets international environmental and safety certifications, and it's free from hazardous substances like mercury, lead, or cadmium. The package dimensions are compact, measuring just under 3 inches in length and around 2 inches in width, with a very lightweight design at just over an ounce. The included repair toolkit makes installation straightforward, although, as with any handheld device repair, a little patience and careful handling are recommended when dealing with the tight internal spaces of the 3DS and 2DS consoles. For gamers looking to extend their playtime on classic Nintendo handhelds, this battery provides a practical upgrade. With a high-capacity design, built-in safety features, and a full set of tools for installation, it's a solid option for those who rely on their devices daily or take them on the go. Overall, this replacement battery brings improved endurance, reliable performance, and safety-conscious design to the table, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone wanting to keep their older Nintendo consoles running at their best. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our in-depth gadget reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.